G'day, at that slot car guy here. So another day, another delivery, and today I have 3 cars and I've purchased them from Simon Slot Cars on Facebook. So let's check out what I received. Alrighty, let's jump straight into it. Super excited. 2 of these cars I've been searching for a long time, and so happy I found them from the same seller. Simon Slot Cars on Facebook. Incredible stuff, incredible stuff. So, they are all by Flyslot. If you're not a Flyslot collector, are you a collector? They're incredible. But we'll start off with the odd one out, and you'll see why in a minute. And it's the Porsche Kramer CK5 982 24-hour Le Mans by Flyslot. Incredible looking car. I'm a Porsche guy. This is, I love the Interscope decal on the front windscreen, but awesome condition. Beautiful car. Very, 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 very happy that I found it. So Simon, mate, you're a magician. Now, these 2 are incredible. They're both different. You'll see why in a minute. They'll look similar at the start, but they are definitely both different. So the first one off the rank is the BMW CSL 6-hour Silverstone 1976, and look at that. Again by Flyslot, and again from Simon Slot Cars on Facebook. So excited to have this in my collection. This is incredible. So beautiful looking car. Take note of the rear spoiler on this, because there is a bit of differences from the other car. So again, thank you, mate. Awesome looking car. The last one is the BMW 3.5 CSL. This is the 1976 24-hour Daytona. And look at that. Again by Flyslot. I went all Flyslot today. So the rear spoiler on this one's a little bit shorter and not as thick from memory, or from looking at it as well. And this that iconic colour combo on this car. So, Flyslot, you make beautiful cars. Simon, mate, you're a magician. I don't know where you find all this stuff. Check him out on Facebook, Simon Slot Cars. Again, follow me on Instagram, at that slot car guy. Awesome collection of cars coming. I've got some other sellers that I'm buying some stuff off to do some reviews. Won't do a hot lap today. These will go around the track in due course, but not today. Just a quick unboxing. I did receive another car yesterday, but I won't show that yet. I did do a bit of a sneaky peeky on Instagram, but thanks for watching. Quick unboxing. Take care. Cheers. Again, at that slot car guy on Instagram. Ciao.